God have mercy upon us.
Yeah, pick up your tripod, mount your camera on a portrait mode. So at this point, you need an empty space for this video. You record an empty space first, then you walk in, then you make a seat. So at this point, make sure your two hands are up. You can see what I'm doing. For you to get this video perfect, your two hands must be up. Then when you raise your hand, start doing anything you like, anything of your choice, okay? You can see what I am doing. Do anything you like, but make sure your two hands are up, okay? Your two hands should be up. Don't allow your hand to get to your leg. Put your two hands up. Do anything of your choice, okay? Then after that, you walk out. Insert, video, plus, that new. Click on new, then import your video. Import your video to workspace now. Mark on that good. Then first thing, click on that insert icon to remove it. Free remove. Click on free remove. Allow it to remove completely. Then the next thing now is click on your video. Look for volume. Look for volume. Look at volume. Click on volume. Reduce it to 0. Mark this good to go back. So at this point, you make a split. This place. Click on split. Because you need that empty space. Click on this one. Go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Look at freeze. Click freeze. Click and hold and drag. Drag it to the duration of your video. So that means you need to drag it very well, because your video seems to be long. So you drag very well. Click on this one now. Go and look for swish. Look for swish, guys. Then you click on swish. You click and hold and drag it to the beginning of the video. Like, comment and share this video, okay? So that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers, okay? Make sure you like and comment. So at this point, you come back. So now you want to cut out the part you don't need. Click, make a split. Click on this one, click delete. Then you drag it to the beginning again. Now you mark out where you want your own video to start from. From here, you click, you make a split. Then you go to the ending part of the video. Then at this point, where you're about standing up, adjust more, click on the video, make a split there. You make a split, then you come back again. At this point, I'm working out. I will make a split again. I will make another split, then I will delete this last part. We don't need it again. Then you come back now and click on the video. If you click on it, you can look for cutout. Look for cutout now, okay? Look for cutout. Click on cutout. Click on cutout. Then mark on that good to go back. Mark on the good to go back. Now you want to look for copy. Look for copy, guys. Look for copy. We need to copy it. Click on copy. Then at this point, come to the beginning of the video now. Then you look for mask. Go and look for mask, guys. Look for mask. Click on mask. Click on mask. Click on rectangle sign. Look at rectangle there. Click it. Then expand it. Expand it with that arrow, okay? Then you take it up. Take it up. You are marking out half of yourself where you need now. You mark it out. When you put it at the point now, you come and mark on this good. Mark on that good. Mark on the good. Then click on the second layer now. Then click mask. Rectangle mask. Expand it again. Then you adjust it. Make sure you put it where you put the first one. Cut out the exact part where you cut out the first one. Adjust it. Make sure you adjust it. After adjusting it, you come and click on this mask sign here. Look at this place. This is where you are going to click. Then after adjusting it, you click it. Perfect. Click on the first layer up. Click on the first layer up again. Now come and add key. Click on key. Look at key here. Click on it. Then adjust the video. Then you use your hand now and push the video. At this point now is the way you want your own to be. You come down, you know the movement you want. then is the way you want your own to be. You can decide to turn it, you can decide to make it big. Just take time to adjust this place. Take your time, okay? Play with it. You know what you want, you know the result you want. That is what you need here. Like, comment and share this video so that you too will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, okay, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials and updates, okay? So you are welcome. So just calm down. You can see what I am doing. Calm down and adjust your own so that it's going to be perfect. Look at what I am doing, okay? Just calm down and play with it so that you will get the same results that I got on that my own. Just take your time. You can see what I am doing. This place now depends on you. What you want is what you are going to make out, okay? Just calm down and do your own, okay? So at the end now, when you get to the edge of the video now, that is where you are going to stop. Look at that place, the marked out place. That is where you are going to stop. When you get to that very place now, by the time you put the last key, look at the last key now. This is the last key I am applying now. Then you join it. Yeah, you make it fit. You join it, then you leave it. So when it gets to the other video now, that is the point where you are going to be standing up. Look at it. So let us play the video and see the result. Let us see what we have got already, okay? Let's see what we have got. Good. This is good. This is good. So at the point of watching the video now, just take your time. At the point of watching the video, if there are some corrections to make, then you calm down and do those necessary adjustments, okay? So the next thing here now is to export this video, to save it to our gallery, okay? So immediately you watch it finish now, the next thing is to save it to our gallery. So the next thing now is that you are going to come and mark on this good. So mark on that good and go back. So the next thing is to come and click and to save your video. Click on this very sign here. So click on that sign, then click on save. Click on save. Now you can see the video I've started exporting to your gallery. To now save to your gallery, then from there you will now share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget, okay, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we come your way again, okay? Stay safe.